Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to work on this LT180. In my previous videos I fixed the transmission in it, so I'm going to polish her up and try to sell it. Alright, I'm going to drain the oil out of it, see what it looks like. A lot of metal filings in there. Dude, she's black.
Minutes later.
I take all these bolts off here. It looks plugged. Magnet right here, full of filings. I'll take this off here. Yeah, this surface is a little wore. No play there whatsoever, so that's good. I got 1500 grit sandpaper here, wet sandpaper, so I'm gonna wet it. That looks really good. I like it.
Five minutes later.
That looks good enough for me. To do this side here. You can see this one's a little wore right here. See if we get that smooth. Getting there. That's the best I'm gonna get it. That looks good.
Five minutes later.
Yeah, that looks good. Roll that off. That looks pretty good there. I'll clean up a little bit later with the brake cleaner. I cleaned the silicone around here as best I could. Take these gear apart here. And we'll put them here on the side. But all no good. All chips. These are wore. That's wore too. So the bearing race, bearing, and the spring. I got these set of gears on my spare transmission. They're in really good shape. Which is right there. It goes in, slam it in. There's wear marks on this side, so this side goes on this side. Push it in. There you go. And they're all good. There's no play in these. All right, degrease this, and I put my neutral pin in here. Stick it in here with hard grease so it doesn't go anywhere. I'm just gonna put a little bit of semi lube here. These LT models here, this goes in like this. But on the LA models, this is flipped around. It goes in like this. I'm gonna put this neutral pin all the way in. And this is your neutral rod here. It has to be this way, so you don't crush that pin. Make sure the bearing lines up here. It's all the way in, so I'm going to check my Neutral rod, if it works here, just push it. It should push out. Yeah, right there. See it? I clean the filter already. So this goes there. And the brake pads. As best as you can. Still metal filings there, but you can't get them off. I'm just gonna try to get them off with another magnet here. I'm gonna spray some brake cleaner on the rag here, so I'm gonna go all the way around. So okay, I'm gonna put some gasket maker here. Honda Bond is the best. Go to Honda. Well, you gotta say you want Honda Bond gasket maker, but this Permatex gasket maker is good. And whatever's a ridge, that's where you're gonna put some. I'm gonna leave it like that for 24 hours. Fill it with 5W50 synthetic oil or Castrol. Now I fill it up with oil. It's supposed to be 22 to 25 mil. And I've got 15 mil, so I got a little too much oil in there, but I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna prime it. It don't matter which way you press this way or that way, it doesn't really matter. So spin this clockwise. Did go down 19 mil, so I got too much oil in there. So 22 mil, just touching the oil. That's perfect. All right, don't forget, put your magnet, clean it really good. Put the cap on here. There's a rod here. This one here goes right, this hole here. And this one goes right here. Put this back on. That wasn't fun. Put the spring back on here. Put the clip here in the washer. Put the cap on. You see the surface here is it's a little dull. I'm gonna polish that all up, and the hood. Yeah, see it's dull there too. So this will polish up really nice to a nice shine, but the paint work here is gonna take a harder pad to polish. Use the same compound. I'm gonna spray the wheels and the deck and side of the motor, degrease all that. So I use a wheel cleaner because I have it. It works really good. It softens it up pretty good. I get a good coat of wax. A little spray foam there with the tire shine. All done. Looks really good. There, the mower looks good. Frameworks looks good. If you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.